This 2024 Forest River Wildwood 29 View is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, microwave, auxiliary battery, LP detector, water heater, air conditioning, refrigerator, smoke detector, oven, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Wildwood 29 View is 8,001 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.